Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will compare the Audi SQ8 versus the Audi RS Q8. Both are high-performance SUVs from Audi, but they cater to slightly different drivers. The SQ8 provides a fantastic blend of power and luxury for everyday use. The RS Q8, however, pushes the boundaries further with its track-focused capabilities and more aggressive styling. Let's dive into what makes each of these vehicles unique. Under the hood, both vehicles boast a formidable 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. The SQ8 delivers 500 horsepower and 568 pound-feet of torque, offering exhilarating acceleration. The RS Q8, however, ups the ante with 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. This power difference translates to the RS Q8 hitting 60 miles per hour in about 3.7 seconds, while the SQ8 achieves it in around 4.0 seconds. When it comes to handling, the SQ8 offers a dynamic yet comfortable ride, thanks to its adaptive air suspension. The RS Q8 takes this further with an RS-tuned adaptive air suspension and larger, more powerful brakes, including available carbon ceramic options for superior track performance. Visually, the RS Q8 stands out with a more aggressive honeycomb grille, wider stance, and signature large oval exhaust tips, while the SQ8 maintains a sophisticated look with quad exhaust outlets. Considering the investment, the SQ8 offers exceptional value, typically starting around $96,000, providing a luxurious and powerful experience. The RS Q8, with its superior performance and exclusive features, commands a higher starting price, often exceeding $125,000. Both models are practical, offering generous cargo capacity of over 60 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. For those looking to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.